I just gave you my hand. Why did you tell me that you understand? Though you wouldn't let go, wouldn't go with the flow. You signed a contract for no strings attached. When the lights go out, yeah, that's what I want. But you're not the same when they come back on. You're a different person when you brought me on my own. You even go to bed with my clothes for some other reason you don't understand. I did this for 3 years, get the fuck off my hand. You've had your last chance, why are you still clinging on? You stole all my money, now you're never gone. I'm giving in, telling you everything, telling you where I've been, telling you who I'm seeing. I'm giving in, I'm burning everything, all of our memories. All you want is blood and money. I once knew a girl like you, a girl like you. She took all of my money and left me for dead, but she still had the nerve. I love you, she said, and you said the same. After only 2 weeks, I flashed you my wallet and we under the sheets with the